Hi everybody, my name is Sean O'Kane with Chip Estimate TV and ChipEstimate.com, where we bring you the latest trends and information about semiconductor design and IP. We're here at the Common Platform Technology Forum. My guest today is Mike Noonan, Executive Vice President, Global Sales, Marketing and Quality and Design with GlobalFoundries, and of course John Blyler, Editor-in-Chief of Chip Design Magazine and Embedded Intel Magazine. Thanks for joining me today.
Thank you.
At your keynote today, Mike, you mentioned your GlobalFoundries technology roadmap, and based on your common technology. Can you talk a little bit about that roadmap?
Sure thing. So this morning's keynote, I recapped what we announced in 2012. Our high performance solutions at 28 and 32. We announced our 28 super low power, as well as offerings for high performance solutions for networking. And then also options for 28 nanometer poly-SI. And then I also recapped what we announced on our 20 nanometer LPM. And then spent a little bit more time talking about our 14XM, which is the FinFET platform that we announced middle of last year.
Right. And you mentioned also your uncommon solutions. This got my attention here, and regarding these features for your partners and customers.
You had several, I thought, excellent examples. You even said that the mobile model now is the one that everyone desires, low power, but still high performance. And there were a couple of partnerships that you'd mentioned. One in the clocking world, kind of might think a sleeper ride inductive tanks, and then the other was in the multi-core. Just maybe a brief comment on those.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, so the beauty of the common platform approach and really the platforms that we've developed, enable innovation, at many different layers and many different levels, and just about every one of our customers wants, higher performance at lower power. And so a couple of the examples that we gave, the uncommon solutions based upon the common platform, our company called Cyclos Semiconductor, which using the lowly inductor and resurrecting the tank circuit to have an approach for resonant clocking, which decreases the amount of power dissipation because of a clock mesh and in your clock architecture. At the same time, getting easier timing closure, which is the challenge with every design and any technology.
For sure.
And then I also talked about Adaptiva, and this is a multi-core, massively parallel architecture, which actually is the highest gigaflops per watt processor on the planet. And that's been developed in our 28 super low power. And so here we have the highest gigaflops per watt solution on the planet in a super low power process, and really demonstrating that high performance and low power can go together, which is exactly where the design sweet spot has gone for so many applications.
Certainly. And the IP has to be, a big part of all of this equation, and certainly the manufacturing part. But and you have a large ecosystem. The success with ST and with Soitec and that whole story, I think is a good example.
Oh, without a doubt, and again, really building on common platform, and in this case, fully depleted on SOI, being another option, to get that higher performance with lower leakage, and all of the the interesting benefits that come along with a fully depleted transistor on an SOI substrate, and again, just rounding out the opportunities that exist because of the critical mass and the head start that that common platform has given not only GlobalFoundries, but about our ecosystem partners.
Yeah, and we talked last night about the fab up in upstate New York. It's up and running and producing stuff, so that's really cool. And it's a massive facility. It's incredible. I don't know if you would talk.
6 football fields of clean room with 60 miles of monorail shuttling wafers all about. But as impressive as the facility is, the fact we're bringing up 32 nanometer, 28 nanometer, 20, and our 14 nanometer FinFET all at the same time is the other aspect that was definitely is breathtaking
and very unique too. Usually we're used to going from one node and everyone, equipment manufacturers, everyone jumps on that, and then you get to the next node, but here you guys are going a whole range of nodes. Well, half nodes, I guess you could argue, but nevertheless, there's some full ones in there too.
Without a doubt, and again, leveraging the common platform to accelerate what has been a normal 2-year cycle and condensing that to, but again, offering more of a variety of performance, power, area, design points, so that our customers can dial in exactly what they need and not make compromises or trade-offs that might impact negatively the product.
Perfect. Well, gentlemen, thank you very much for joining us today. For John Blyler and Mike Noonan, my name is Sean O'Kane with Chip Estimate TV. We'll see you next time.